Close your eyes and imagine the scent of rain on dry soil, the coolness of a stone floor beneath your feet, and the heavy, comforting silence of a home that truly breathes. In a world that moves at the speed of a digital pulse, we often find ourselves yearning for a sanctuary that feels ancient, permanent, and profoundly grounded. This isn't just about a style, it's about a homecoming to the farmhouse spirit, where the architecture serves as a bridge between the wild landscape and our deepest need for rest. Today on Hambelung Studio, we are peeling back the layers of modern artifice to explore the raw beauty of inside design that prioritizes the soul. We are venturing into the heart of earth bedrooms, spaces where the walls are made of the very ground we walk on and the light dances across textures that have stood the test of time. It is a journey into warm minimalism, where every choice is intentional and every corner is a masterclass in organic elegance and timeless decor. But a beautiful room is nothing if it doesn't care for you in return. As we dive into this ultimate guide, we'll uncover the secrets of engineering thermal comfort, ensuring your sanctuary remains a haven of perfect temperatures through the rhythm of the seasons. From the thermal mass of rammed earth to the soft insulation of natural fibers, prepare to discover how a home can be both a high-design marvel and a cozy, living lung. The soul of the earth. Imagine walking into a room that doesn't just house you, but breathes with you. This is the essence of farmhouse living, where every texture tells a story of the soil. When we talk about inside design for the modern era, we aren't just looking at furniture, we are looking at a heritage of comfort. To begin this journey into earth bedrooms, we start with the walls. By using limewash finishes and raw plaster, we create a tactile connection to the ground beneath us. This isn't just decor, it is a foundational shift in how we perceive our personal sanctuaries, turning a simple sleeping space into a grounded retreat that feels as though it grew directly from the landscape. Engineering thermal comfort. True farmhouse elegance is found in the invisible, the way a room holds heat and invites the breeze. To achieve peak thermal comfort in your inside design, we look toward natural insulation. Think of heavy, reclaimed timber beams that act as thermal mass and floor-to-ceiling linen drapes that regulate temperature throughout the seasons. In these earth bedrooms, luxury is defined by the climate we create. By layering organic wall rugs over reclaimed wood floors, we trap warmth where it matters most, ensuring that your decor works tirelessly to keep you cozy while maintaining a footprint that is as light as a feather. The art of layering textures. The secret to a captivating earth bedroom lies in the perfectly imperfect. In this guide to farmhouse styling, we prioritize materials that age gracefully. We're talking about the juxtaposition of smooth, hand-thrown ceramic lamps against the rugged grain of a weathered oak bedside table. Within the realm of inside design, these layers provide a visual richness that keeps the eye moving. When you curate your decor, seek out hemp linens and chunky cotton knits. These fibers don't just look beautiful under soft lighting, they enhance the tactile experience of the room, making the transition from the busy outside world to your private haven feel instantaneous and profound. light, shadow, and biophilic harmony. As the sun begins to set, the inside design of a farmhouse-inspired home truly comes alive. To master the farmhouse aesthetic, one must master the light. We lean into the earth element by using warm spectrum lighting that mimics the glow of a hearth, highlighting the natural imperfections in our decor. In our earth bedrooms, we also introduce a living element, perhaps a small indoor tree or a series of terracotta potted herbs, to bridge the gap between the indoors and the wild. This biophilic approach ensures that your air is as fresh as your design is timeless, reinforcing a sense of well-being that only a nature-forward home can provide. Crafting your forever sanctuary. Creating the ultimate earth bedroom is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about the slow curation of pieces that resonate with your spirit. From the way the morning light hits a vintage mirror to the silent efficiency of your thermal comfort upgrades, every choice is a brushstroke on a larger canvas of inside design. This farmhouse philosophy isn't about following a trend. It's about reclaiming a way of life that values substance over sparkle. As you refine your decor, remember that the most beautiful homes are the ones that reflect the steady, grounding energy of the earth itself. As we've explored today, creating the ultimate farmhouse retreat is an art of subtraction, removing the noise to make room for the materials that matter. We've journeyed through the tactile world of earth bedrooms, seeing how limewash, stone, and timber create a sanctuary for the senses. By mastering the principles of inside design, we've learned that true luxury isn't found in a catalogue, but in the seamless integration of beauty and thermal comfort, crafting spaces that protect us and ground us simultaneously. Your home is the most important story you will ever tell, and your decor is the language you use to tell it. Whether you are layering hand-loomed wool or positioning a light well to catch the golden hour, you are building a legacy of peace. Thank you for joining us on Hambelung Studio to explore the intersection of historic soul and modern living.